Canva. Everything is editable, so you can match it to your brand. Edit text boxes marked with square brackets, and optionally the colors. Upload your images or search for images within Canva. Simply drag your images in, and they'll snap to the background. Double tap to edit what part of the image to show. This works just the same with video